Now available at McCarthy Cars is a 2008 BMW X3 xDrive 2.0 turbo diesel M Sport 6-speed auto. The car is metallic space grey finish. With a 18-inch of M Sport BMW wheels. The car has covered 63,000 miles. So at the back we've got the rear parking sensors. It's with a front and rear parking sensors, by the way. The trunk, we've got the luggage tower. We've got the front parking sensors and the front fogs. The interior, I'm gonna start from the rear seats. It's a full black leather interior. Got the ISOFIX for child seat preparation. Front on the driver's side door, we've got the electric windows, electric mirrors and folding also. We've got the automatic lights. Got the multi-function steering wheel with the M Sport logo, the voice commands, got the cruise control on the right hand side, as I mentioned it is a 6-speed automatic. Here we've got the heated seats, front heated seats. So it's got the air conditioning with the climate control. It's got the BMW Business CD player. Let me demonstrate the forward mirrors for you. Please visit our website or give us a call for more information.